Endi narx tushdi yoki talab nimagadir tushganini man sizlarga tushuntirib beraman. Bilasizlar, Isomiddinov Jahongir, Alsben Writing Cycle sohibi, sizga nereal bitta maslahat beraman. Tasavvur qiling, siz the prices decreased considerably deb yozib bo'ldingiz va bundan keyin qanaqadir boshqacharoq strukturadan foydalanmoqchisiz yoki the prices dropped substantially, the prices went down significantly, bu uchalasini ham yozib olgansiz. Xo'p, buni o'zgartirsa bo'ladimi? Boshqacha yo'lda yozsa bo'ladimi? Yes javob. Va bu struktura bizda mana bunaqa bo'ladi. There was a considerable yoki substantial decrease in prices yoki there was a considerable, substantial, significant, noticeable decrease in prices. Дальше there was a significant, noticeable, aytaylik substantial drop in prices. Farqi yo'q, любой bitta so'zdan shu drop yoki decrease dan foydalanib mana shu struktura tuzib olishingiz mumkin. Price ni o'rniga demand, farqi yo'q, nima bo'lishi mumkin? There was a considerable, substantial decrease in the volume of something. Farqi yo'q, juda chiroyli struktura va buni ma'nosi mana bu ma'no bilan bir xil.